Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, here's that funky building that's kind of kind of like that if you're at a certain angle. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go into this little area right here. This is an area where there's a lot of gold and especially gold and silver and kind of stuff that you'd think. And there's the President Casino right there, goes all the way up. There's some other casino right over here too. This is called the Landmark Casino straight ahead. And when we get in here, you're going to see a lot of gold shops and silver shops. I think I've actually filmed in here other times too, so yeah, looks like they sell watches and things like that. And this one has cell phones and some rare Chinese medicine types of items. This one has gold. This one has gold. It's to kind of give you a sense of the gold. So you can take a look at it right there. And I think when I first got this channel, I started like filming some of the gold and started asking like prices for them. So I actually did pursue this in the past. But just in case you're wondering, this one is says 120. I'm gonna say it's like 12,000, probably 1,500 American dollars, 12,000 MOP, which is about right. Like these are usually about 1,000 American dollars, more or less. This one is 20,000, which was 2,500 American dollars. So, okay. This one is 4,000 MOP, which is about $5,000, I guess. Wow, this one's really beautiful, really elaborate. Okay, so anyways, some of the shops look like that. And Chinese medicine, shoes, Chinese medicine. This is what some of it looks like. Okay. Cell phones. And actually right here is, at nighttime there's kind of a lot of neon, and even in the daytime. Right now it's about 3 p.m. and you can feel all the neon here as well. And in a minute what we're gonna do is I'll show you the main intersection right here. So yeah, this right here is Lisboa. Oh, it says Indian bagger. I don't know what that means. Okay. So we're just gonna walk down. But basically you can see like on the left here, there's a bunch of used cameras over here. Over here is like liquor, different things. Okay. So I don't know what the liquor is, but Hennessy is everywhere. Remy Martin is everywhere. Color the shrines. So, okay. Money exchange place. Okay. Let's see. Let's see, okay. So we're just gonna walk all the way down. See, this is like a casino car right here. I think it's a Rolls Royce. Let's just see if we can get by. So we're gonna keep on walking. And I think that one is a Rolls Royce right there. So, okay. Anyways. It's kind of raining here a little bit. Get over on the dry side. I always see people just kind of hanging around on this little spot right here. I'm not sure why. So okay, let me see. This is the inside of Lisboa Casino right there. All right. I guess they have like a security door, 2 security doors. Watches, jade. So, okay. All right. Yep, so you can see, I guess this is called Fortuna Casino, and it goes all the way down, so. And Lisboa is the one straight ahead. Huh. I don't know what those things are. So this is a Fortuna Lisboa, but actually this Fortuna has the same colors as the Lisboa, which is over here, so I guess it must be owned by the same company, I guess. I'm not sure. Actually, this looks really beautiful right here. It's like a Japanese restaurant, so you can see all the lanterns up there. So let's see. And you can take this escalator and it can go up and around over that way. But what we're gonna do is go just walk through this. And so that looks pretty cool. Candles kind of mounted there. Okay. So I don't know what that is. They're selling it 20 mop. I don't know why. They're selling it all up and down the street. I usually never see that. Little packets of something, so I guess maybe somebody from the mainland sold a bunch of it. People are buying it there. There's an empty wrapper of it. Okay, anyways. So it's basically this strip of this casino. So let's go back to where we came from. And actually also too, when you have the Grand Prix, like all the stuff, you can overlook some of it from that direction, but they'll put all this paper up over it so you can't actually see it without paying for it. And we're just gonna get across here. Okay. So we're just gonna go around this casino just a little bit, and then we'll turn off the camera and end this one. Yeah, actually, a lot of the stuff that when I see it in this area, it always feels like kind of like mainland stuff, like mainland tourist stuff that they would want to buy. Like casino attire kind of stuff. Shirts that look like you'd wear if you're gonna go gambling. Kind of loud, like stuff, you know, kind of like a certain look. Look at this guy up here is wearing it, not this guy, but the guy with the black pants and I don't know, certain look. So, okay, so we're gonna conclude in a minute, and I'm just gonna show you where we're at here. So, yep, there you go. So we conclude right there. This is gonna be the end of this video. Chiquinha,